Welcome friends to my channel Education Guru. We discuss about the chapter of class 8, chapter 2, microorganism friend and foe. Okay. In this chapter, we just give you an introduction about this chapter and some basics on it, and we create all the chapters, all lessons. So please subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell. So let's get started. Microorganisms friend and foe. This is the microorganisms you could see in the screen. These organisms cannot be seen with naked eyes. Organisms could be seen by using a magnifying glass or a microscope. These organisms have a great role in our daily life. We could know about all this in this lesson. Look at your surroundings to see varieties of trees and animals, but some organisms could not be seen with naked eyes. We call this as microorganisms. Likely you noticed that bread are spoiled in rainy season. But why? Why black color layers covered in it? Why? When noticed in the water of a pond, then you could see there are some very small organisms that could not be seen with clearly, but some organisms could not be seen with naked eyes. If I research on it in water of a pond and soil, then we found many organisms in it. Okay, students, organisms can be different type, but we typically divided it in 4 types, which is bacteria, protozoa, algae and fungi. Organisms could be seen by using a magnifying glass and a microscope. Okay, let's see the type of microorganism and describe one by one. Friends, you could see on the screen board, this is a microscope. This is the instrument. By using this you could see microorganisms. Okay, protozoa, algae and fungi organisms could be seen by using a magnifying glass and a microscope. Okay, let's see the type of organisms and describe it. Okay, virus could be seen with a microscope because it is microscopic organism. Which organisms could be seen only by a microscope, we call this as microscopic organism. Virus could live by the help of a host. Okay, this is a question. What is a host? A host and everything else that have life that can be a host for virus. There are some diseases that can be caused by a virus. 1. Influenza. 2. Fever. 3. Cough. 4. Polio. 5. Pox. 6. AIDS. 7. COVID-19. 10. HIV. Okay, these are some diseases that can be caused by virus. Okay, let's see the protozoa. Protozoa is a type of organisms that responsible for disease of malaria and dysentery. Protozoa is spread by the female Anopheles mosquito. This is the picture of this mosquito you could see on the screen. And now look at the bacteria picture. You could see this is a longitudinal bacteria. Bacteria is a microorganism that play a great role in our daily life. Bacteria help us in many ways. Bacteria have some types of diseases like typhoid, cholera, tuberculosis, and anthrax, etc. And now we discuss about algae. What is algae? If we noticed in the water of a pond, you see covering a layering of a green color which is algae. Could be produced each food by photosynthesis. Could not be seen in naked eyes because it is a microscopic organism. Is found different type of algae in our surrounding which is used in many types and many ways and different ways to use. This algae served as to produce the medicines and many other ways in cultivation. In every other sector, suppose the green blue algae could produce the liquid nitrogen from grasses to absorb as a pure liquid by trees, humans and the living organisms. We just get some basic informations on this chapter in this video, and I trying to make all the chapters, covered all the chapters and the MCQs, all the questions on it. We made a playlist on the chapter, so please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell.